Hello, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of this Briggs & Stratton 7 horsepower engine for a rototiller for a Troy Bilt PTO model. Actually, it'll fit on any model with the 3/4 inch shaft, which is almost all of the horse rototillers. I'm going to just do a quick demonstration of how it runs. We'll turn the gas on underneath. Choke on. So as you can see, runs perfect. Really couldn't run any better. Fires up right off the bat, and you'll be able to take a look at all the pictures below, all the pictures of all the sides. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email through eBay, or at the bottom is my phone number. You can just give me a ring, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. Thanks.